would be doing this acrylic disc ornament again, using UV resin by Jade's Diction. I also have these cute little specialty glitter by Recollection. This one's called Snowflakes, and this one is also called Snowflakes. They both are called like snowflakes. So I'm gonna be using that, as well as these little cute little buttons I found at Walmart called I think the brand is called Dress It Up. So let's begin. Okay, so we want to start off by removing the film off of this. So we start to remove that. Okay, and just like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this UV resin, and with this glitter, which I got from Michael's, I'm going to sprinkle it on. I got this little also aluminum foil. Put a nice amount, but not too crazy. Okay, so good sprinkle. And then you put it inside the lamp so it could cure. I'm gonna do it for 90 seconds and we'll be right back. So we got the acrylic ornament out of the UV lamp, and you can see it's still a bit transparent. So what I'm gonna do is gonna apply a second layer of UV resin and then add the glitter once again. After you're done, cure for 2 cycles of 90 seconds. So I wanted to make you guys aware that off camera I decided to do another layer of UV resin and glitter because originally it was too transparent for me, but you guys could do whatever you like. Now you're going to remove the film on the other side because we'll be using that one side to put our little buttons. Now I'm trying to figure out how to arrange the buttons. Now the type of adhesion I like to use is liquid fusion, but you guys can use whatever you want. I could have also used the glue gun. Now here I'm applying some glue because we're going to add those snowflakes to make it seem like it's snowing. Okay, now this is what it's looking like after the buttons are applied and the little snowflake glitter. The following step is going to be to apply the twine. Now this twine by Recollections, I got it at Michael's. I believe I got it for like $2.50 if I'm not mistaken. But this is what I'm going to use for the ornament because it kind of gives me that Christmassy vibe. Here you see me cutting a long piece of twine, but you could cut as long or as short as you like. You're going to tie the two ends together and create a little knot and thread it through the hole. I use a weeding tool to help me guide it into the little hole. Now these are end results. I hope you enjoyed this video and please consider subscribing. Bye!